Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix Wi-Fi problem in your OPPO smartphone if it is not connecting to your internet or you will have no internet access. How you can fix that? So first you have to long press your Wi-Fi and go to there. Then you have to click on this refresh button and connect your network, and then friends you have to just simply press back if it is connected, and if it is done, okay. But if it is not connecting or net is not coming, you have to go to search and write here reset and click on search. Click on reset phone. Here it is reset Wi-Fi. Then you have to enable for a pattern and click on reset. So, and you can see friends, Wi-Fi settings has been reset successfully, and now you can simply restart your device. It will be available and it will be connected your Wi-Fi. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.